Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to raise hand in Amazon Chime. To raise your hand during an Amazon Chime meeting, follow these simple steps. Open your Amazon Chime application and make sure that you are logged in. Join into a meeting or simply start an instant meeting according to your preference, and make sure to join into an Amazon Chime meeting. Select your meeting type from the next page and tap next at the top right to start your meeting. Now, from the next page, add the participants you'd like to invite to the meeting and tap on start at the top right. Once you start your meeting, you'll be able to see a raise hand button at the lower left hand corner. Simply tap on it and you can raise your hand during an Amazon Chime meeting to get an attention of the presenter. You can also simply tap on the hand raised button in order to lower your hand if you no longer have a question. That is how you can easily raise your hand on Amazon Chime. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.